Guys, welcome to my channel. Before watching the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video and also share my video with your friend. Today in this video, I will tell you about Mehndi design. From restored Mehndi design to 5-minute Arabic pattern. Floral design and design are easy DIY for full hand henna. Here are some beautiful, trendy and unique Mehndi design to choose your pick from the ahead of the channel rated the more. The month of the Ramadan, also repeated as a Mehndi design, is trying to the close of the cross to the word gear up to the sign of the Mehndi design shawl with Eid al-Fitr. There is a bows with the whitening and the house process dressing in advance to the dry of the Mehndi design. Mostly they'll apply Mehndi design on the kain of Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha and on the time of the wedding of the season. The 9th month in the Islamic long calendar is Ramadan and the 12th Shawwal, whose Mehndi design are applied on the time of the wedding. Every year, Eid al-Fitr are applauded to the 10 years earlier, depending on where the crown in the social month. It varies from the country to the country and the corner. Here, there is a latest trendy, beautiful and unique Mehndi or Mehndi design are present. Arabic pattern, floral design, decorative design, beautiful DIY for full hand henna. To choose your pick from the ahead of the character raw to the Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Stylish and unique Mehndi design are applied to the henna. Trendy and unique Mehndi design to the choose your pick from the head of the candy rest with the Ramadan to the back end or the front end. Mostly girls apply a Mehndi design because Mehndi design are looking stunning, good and stylish. Mostly girls apply Mehndi design and they are verified by their product to the choose your hand and front end. Some of the girls apply Mehndi design on their front end and some girls apply Mehndi design on their back end, but mostly girls also apply Mehndi design on their neck, feet and arm because they look stunning, good and stylish.